So for this example, we'll press D, switch over to circle, and we'll just click and drag to create a circle, press B in order to bevel, and we can press D to bring up the helper after pausing the shape in order to basically create a reverse bevel. And let's create one more, and we'll press B again, jump in, reverse it. We can adjust the size of our bevel if we want, click and apply, and let's press D and jump over to box. So now if we draw a box and we alt scroll, we see that we're now able to recall the reverse bevel. So couple that with the ability to recall dimensionally accurate, we now are able to recall bevels that have been reversed and still draw them facing the correct location on the surface. If we press Alt V to look at our orientation, we see that our faces aren't flipped and our normals aren't having any issues. Just a further indication of the success that we're finding with the recall improvement. So there's still a lot more to it, but this is just the tip of the iceberg whenever it comes to recall.